Hi, good morning. I'm Dr. Rajshekar. Cancer is a killing disease. I know everybody knows about it. But how cancer is triggered? That's what is the question now. As a doctor, somebody develops cancer, they get treatment much faster in your own family. That's the benefit of being a doctor or having a doctor in your family. A small nodule anywhere in the body can be turned into a cancer. A small symptom, some bleeding here and there, can become a cancer. So cancer is a killing disease and it's a very rapidly spreading disease. So to save many people, why can't you become a doctor? There are a lot of things you can study, but becoming a doctor, it helps you to live healthier, live longer, save many lives, save your family. Yes, it's got that kind of advantage. You can become a doctor. Pick up a call, 988-4355-558. You can also visit our website. It's www.futuredoctor.in, and that's you. You can become a doctor. Let's prevent cancer agony in our friends and family. You can do it. Thank you.